Hi friends, today we are going to discussing about our BCom 5th semester finance subject Fundamentals of Investment. Firstly, I give a brief introduction about this subject. In this subject have 5 modules and these 5 modules are again classified into 8 chapters and these chapters are first chapter is investment environment. In this chapter include what are the definition of investment, what is the meaning of investment, and different types of investment and characteristics of investment. And the next chapter is return and risk. In this chapter, we dealing how can calculate risk and what are the different types of risk and how can calculate return and what is the meaning and definition of return and risk. Then next chapter, fixed income securities. What do you mean by fixed income securities? Fixed income securities is a types of securities. These securities are provide a fixed return to the investors like bonds and treasury bills, etc. And these securities are deal in this chapter. Then fourth chapter include equity valuation. We are already studies what is equity shares and preference shares. So in this chapter include how can value the return of equity shares. The next chapter is security market analysis. When an investor like to invest some securities, firstly the investor go to a market and analyze the all market conditions. In this time, the investor using different types of techniques or methods. So, the major techniques of analyzing securities are fundamentals of analysis and technical analysis. And this chapter we are studying the different types of security market analysis and different types of fundamental analysis tools and technical analysis tools. Then sixth chapter, portfolio analysis. What do you mean by portfolio? The portfolio simply means it's a collection or group of securities. And this chapter include how can calculate portfolio return and how can calculate portfolio risk, etc. The seventh chapter is financial derivatives. The financial derivative is a financial instrument that very helps to hedge or reduce the risk of the investors. So this chapter include different types of derivative contract like forward contract, future contract, option contract and swap contract. And the last chapter is investors protection. So these are the very important chapters including in our subject fundamentals of investment. In this class, we studying the first chapter investment environment. Cash or money have a very important is a very crucial element in a human being life. So all peoples are doing so many works and so many business for making monies. Now we have more opportunity for making legal monies. Please note that word legal monies, not illegal. So investment simply means it is a technique or method for making money or cash or any other benefit. Investment simply means it is a method or technique for making money or cash or any other benefit. According to Sharp, investment is a sacrifice of some present value for some uncertain future value. The Sharp tells investment is a sacrifice of some present value for some uncertain future value. That means when a person have 1 lakh rupees in his hand, the person are going to a market and invest this 1 lakh rupees in any other securities and the maturity date of the security is 1 year and the interest rate is 10%. And after 1 year, he must be earn or achieve rupees 1 lakh plus 10% interest. That means 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. So presently he sacrificed is 1 lakh rupees and futurely he gained 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. So Shark tells investment is a sacrifice of some present value for some uncertain future value. Okay, clear? The next, F. Ambling defines investment as purchase of financial asset that produce a yield that is proportionate to the risk assumed over some future period. So in this definition, the two words are very important, that is yield and risk. So yield means return. So the yield and risk is the very important component of a investment. So according to Ambling defines investment as purchase of financial asset that produce a yield that is proportionate to the risk assumed over some future investment period. So this is the brief introduction of what is investment and what is the definition of investment. Next we are moving to what are the characteristics of investment. The investment characteristics are classified into different types. These are expected return, risk, and liquidity or marketability, then tax consideration. The investment characteristics are different types, that are risk, expected return, and tax consideration, then liquidity and marketability. Then first one is expected return. The expected return is the overall profit that an investor might expect to receive from investment. When a person invests some money in any other securities, in that time the person must be think the return of the investment. So the previous example, a person invests is 1 lakh rupees in any other security, the interest rate is 10%, maturity period is 1 year. Then after 1 year he must be get 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. That 10,000 rupees is the return from the investment. Okay, so any simply means any profit from the investment is also known as expected return. Any profit or gain from the investment is also known as expected return. Okay, clear? The next characteristic is risk. What do you mean by risk? Risk simply means possibility of loss, probability of loss, any chance of loss. So it is connected to investment. What is the risk of investment? The investment risk is the degree of uncertainty about expected return from an investment, including the possibility that some or all of the investment may be lost. The investment risk simply means it is a possibility of loss of expected return from an investment. A possibility of loss of expected return from an investment. For example, today 1 pound gold price is 35,000. When an investor plan next 2 months the price goes up to 40,000. So he going to a market and buy a 1 pound gold. After 2 months the gold price goes down to 30,000. In this time the person have occurred a 5,000 rupees loss. In this loss is also known as the risk of the investment. I repeat, the risk is a degree of uncertainty about expected return from an investment. That means the probability or possibility of loss of an expected return from an investment. Clear? The next, liquidity or marketability. What do you mean by liquidity? Liquidity means any things are easy to convert to cash. So the securities are easily to convert into cash. In this time, that securities have liquidity. The next important characteristics of investment is liquidity and marketability. What do you mean by liquidity? Liquidity means any things are easily to converting into cash. So liquidity means which an investor can convert his investment quickly into cash at or near the current market price. It is more applicable redeemable securities. So the securities are different types. The important types are redeemable securities and irredeemable or unredeemable securities. The redeemable securities means the investor can redeem the securities at any time. And irredeemable securities means the investor cannot redeem. And the redeemable securities have high liquidity. And these types of security, the investor can very easily to convert cash in any time. But irredeemable securities are very difficult to convert into cash. So the investor firstly go to the market and list the securities in share market. Then he find out the another investors. So it is not provide any guarantee of liquidity. So I repeat, the security are two types, redeemable security and irredeemable securities. The redeemable securities are have high liquidity and irredeemable securities have low liquidity. Then next characteristics of investment is tax consideration. We also know what is tax. Tax simply means it is a revenue of government. Any person have a income more than a particular limit, that person are liable to pay tax. So at the time of investment, the investors get more incomes. So the investors are liable to pay tax under Income Tax Act. So the investment are provide different types of tax consideration. That means the income tax provide any different types of tax deductions, tax exceptions, etc. So the tax consideration means income tax considerations are important because they will defect the net return from the investment, the interest, dividend, capital gain, loss, etc. So the Income Tax Act are provide different types of tax deductions, exceptions, etc. So tax consideration is a very important characteristics of an investment. These are the very important characteristics of investment. I conclude, according to Sharpe, investment is a sacrifice of some present value for some uncertain future value. Then we discuss the important characteristics of investment, that are tax consideration, marketability or liquidity, and risk and expected return. Stay safe, stay home, break the chain. Thank you.